Hello there folks, and welcome to Chris Hall Motorcycles in Doncaster, and welcome to the channel. I've got a rather nice Suzuki RGV for you today. So yeah, it's one of my personal favourites without a shadow of a doubt, having owned one of these many years ago. So yeah, this is a 1989 Suzuki RGV250 VJ21. Full disclosure, I'm not going to do a startup video today. One very good reason is I've got petrol today. I ain't got no oil. We completely ran out. Chris used the last of it at the back end of last week, and we forgot to go and pick up some more oil. So can't start it. So there we go. So watch this space, because a startup video will be coming very soon. If it runs, maybe tomorrow, maybe the day after, but yeah, we will do a startup and video, because I'm dying to smell and hear the sound of a VJ21. I love the smell. Yes, it's in our blood, folks. Anyway, this particular example, speedo showing 4,871. However, the bike has had a full rebuild. I've got invoices here from a company, and this is dated the end of October last year. So we'll just have a quick walk around, and then I'll go through this breakdown of what it's exactly had and hasn't had. Well, more to the point, what it has had at the end of last year, but it's fairly comprehensive engine rebuild. So but I'll just do a steady walk around first of all, just showing you the bike in all its glory, and it is glorious. This period of bike is definitely all about, you know, that's my era, late 80s, early 90s. These KR1S's, TZRs, love it, absolutely love it. So as you guys can see, a nice clean bike. Nice colour scheme, obviously. It's got that nice rear hugger in there. So yeah, this video will probably a bit shorter than some of the others, because we're not going to do a startup. However, right, let me run through this invoice with you guys. So at the end of last year, it's dated 23rd of 11/23, this particular bike had top, I'll just read out the invoice as per, it totals £4,900. So it had top bottom engine rebuild, new pistons, new crank seals, bearings, new power valves, new oil pump, new carb jets, full brake caliper refurb, new discs and pads, fresh powder coat, forks rebuilt, fresh paint, OEM panels, new wheel bearings, new swing arm bearings as well. So all that was done November last year, or November 2023, depending when you're watching this video, of course. You might be watching this video in 2030, I don't know. So yeah, quite a comprehensive rebuild there going on. A lot of money spent. Someone spent a lot of money on this bike. Just under 5,000 quid spent on this bike. That's yeah, but sometimes needs must. Okay folks, so this bike will be supplied, it'll go through the workshop for a full check over. It will come with a full MOT, so all that kind of stuff, no problem at all. We can offer finance on this vehicle. I can offer nationwide or international delivery as well for you collectors out there. And with regards to collectors, if you are a collector and you want this bike with no fuel in it, let me know and we won't put any in. Simple as that. So yeah, we do get that a lot. So yeah, if you want to know how much this bike is, there is a price in the description below, and also a link to the website where you'll find a load of photos of this vehicle as well. So if you've got any questions whatsoever, you can give me a call 01302 760 967, or you can email me chrishallmotorcycles@googlemail.com. Alternatively, if you want to come down and look at this bike, all you OG listeners are about to go, here he goes again. Please call ahead before you come to look at something specific, just to make sure the bike is available and in stock for you. It's still happening, folks. People are still turning up unannounced to look at bikes, and they've travelled 2 hours and I've sold it the night before or something. So But that is a nice RGV250. Okay folks, I'm going to wrap this one up. Don't forget, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, tick that bell for notifications. I really do appreciate the support, guys. And if you're passing Doncaster, the kettle's usually on. That is one thing that always does work and start. So we never run out of anything to do with the kettle. So there we go folks, and watch this space. We will do a startup video very soon of this bike for you. Thank you very much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Hope to see you all very soon. Cheers.